I know you like the job, but I mean, I think that no, but I think it's all rested because clearly you are not well. And 2 days ago, we call hospital. So if you are not well like that, that's all the back. Oh, Debbie, I don't think that sentiment would want you to sum when you are unwell. So it's all fine. Michelle, may you not call off into one way channel and one make a Rich, we've gotten to the round of 16 of the Champions League. Now, baby, Bruno, probably in other competitions here, because say the money zone of the Champions League, real proper money zone. And Maka say, when it comes to the Champions League, the Champions League is down soon. No money competition. Then say a lot of other competitions, but they home about to home. The bit about the storylines that is part. Now, in the Champions League, there is a big storyline. I want to show you here about the first leg of the games. You about English Premier, you about Champions League, maybe you know. Now, yeah, a subtle comparison of the English Premier League and the Spanish La Liga. You say 4 games in the Bekoso. Now, in the 4 games in the Bekoso, the Mummy 8 teams for the English Premier League: Liverpool, Tottenham Hotspur, and Newcastle United. Now, 4 nimi insana, 3 nimi insana in English Premier League. We against Spanish opposition. But this is where the catch is. So we the 2 teams that against the Spanish opposition now. The English opposition now that is Newcastle and Tottenham Hotspur. Baby, that English Premier League, you know, so any. And they are playing against teams that are in the top 3 of Spanish football. So today, if we get an upset, it won't be just in the Spanish La Liga, but it's going to be an upset of the English Premier League teams. Tottenham Hotspur, all relegation. Any Newcastle all struggle, also in the English Premier League, nowhere close to the top 5 of the English Premier League, all against team friend Barcelona. So just imagine when both teams play, not year and we get an upset, it is going to be such a big deal for both of the 2 teams now. Okay, and then we have stories to tell, and we have very interesting storylines that most likely is going to come up. But and the Barcelona politics in Corona on here, but na ede. And honestly, the conclusion it seems unanimous. Say, regardless of how Victor Font is pushing, we are Barcelona ni anasa onye Barcelona ni kampa. With the job that Juan Laporta iron, it is only right. Say Barcelona for one better one also. And I'm hoping say I'm on Sunday, Barca for one better Papa a friend Juan Laporta so now let's start in Newcastle. Rich, what do you see in the last 3 days? Barca Cocos Athletic Bilbao 1-0. Oman go back to Catalan. And I like it. Do you know why? Barca know clearly that Newcastle Catalan it may be good for the players. I feel like it was a smart move for Juan Laporta to position the election at this time in the season. Because the biggest conversation, all the Juan Laporta said, why Juma El Barcelona, and he said, won't mean the Champions League in 11 years. Club didn't give. It's been long since the club had won the Champions League. Barca should make a say is that they want to go back and win the Champions League, especially because their veteran rivals in Madrid have been winning in the last few years. And once that is good, and Juan Laporta, because in a Champions League conclusion, can now sell the finance of the club going back to the Spotify Camp Nou and probably win the election over the weekend. They had to stay away from all of that noise El Catalan code. I liked it when they didn't go back to Barcelona. Bilbao, straight. They flew to England, and it's just a 2-hour flight. Which sometimes when we discuss football as any musica, this is why some of us say that because which only see no be imagine say we ya will be na uba atletica you fly to go and play, and almost fly go game over the weekend, or fly Sunday, Monday or training, Tuesday or match ni be na niasa it will be fly back to Barcelona no near Wednesday in the course of the week. Or could training to go and play over the weekend.
can't maybe not. Yeah, blacks are discussions. Musica sem yeah. And I make us say, even flights no crab for the Akobo games, you know. The risk I woman. And yes, you know, a brand TV sending message. Hey, wouldn't you pay to Ghana or pet a flight in the Biafran? Flights, you know, yes, yeah, but and yes, how
it's for them
so to play more, 6 hours, 7 hours.
You see, Ghana, Hannah, sometimes because of economic reasons, we don't value family time. And as a young man, they be a born by they say, oh, mommy, the ability to buy my time. So maybe I can spend quality time with a man. I want to spend time with my kids. Me per se, I dear back my car to me trim. They be a born by and say, me, mommy, you didn't go to see me, ma school that. If I have the chance every morning, I'll take my kids to school and spend time with them because it's so important. But by the time you realize you the 50, 60, 70, then you don't get quality time with the kids that he bless you with. So they go to Newcastle. Now, assembly go see the hotel almost Barcelona players go to Newcastle. It look like the movie that baby you see Harry Potter movie. No? You see Gavi say, hey, Harry Potter film na mudi ya bayana. Where are you guys bringing us to? And when I catch Gabi, in the last 4 games that Football Club Barcelona have played, which they've conceded just 1 goal. And they are going around to play against a Newcastle side. And according to Eddie Howe, only media apart from the Champions League, and that is where the big conversation is for them. Can they beat Football Club Barcelona and get the job done? And now that is the big question. You see, like I said, 2 teams in our boy in the group stages of the league phase of the Champions League. Yeah. Barcelona won by 2-1. There are 2 ways I think this game will be won or lost. First, the physical side of the game and the technical side of the game. I think the technical side of the game, Barca hold the advantage. There were 3 separate starting lineups on the board. So, first one, Cancelo, Gerard Martin, Kubasi, Eric Garcia, Juan Garcia, Pedri, Femin, Marc Barnal, Lamine Yamal, Lewandowski, and Rafinha. Then on the side of Newcastle United, Trippier, Thiaw, Ben Hall, Aaron Ramsey, Sandro Tonali, Joe Linton, of course, Anthony Elanga, Anthony Gordon, and Harvey Barnes is the first one. Rich, why do I say that? The 2 ways now are possible to win the game. Obia kita advantage 50-50. This is what I mean. Say about the physical side of the game, Newcastle have the advantage over Barcelona. When it comes to the technical and tactical side of the game, Barcelona hold an advantage over Newcastle United. Now, so how is the game going to pan out? Rich, I think both of the teams will try to make the game like Senior Momope. It's Newcastle for and you have game planning and say,
use your strength.
Let us use our strength. Let us make the game as ding dong as possible, like the commentators will say. Let us make the game as physical as possible. It doesn't mean that Barcelona cannot be physical. It doesn't mean that Newcastle are not technical or tactical or won't be able to have certain levels of advantage in that regard. Rich, say Newcastle game no strength. They have to prevent Barcelona and force Barcelona to play forward a lot. And when Barcelona have 2 players in the first game at St. James Park, that made it impossible for Newcastle to get the game in the way they wanted. When the game started, it was transitional. It was into the channels. It was to the pace of Gordon and Anthony Elanga. There is no defender in the Barcelona backline that have better pace than Anthony Gordon and Anthony Elanga. When the ball goes into those channels, there are going to be real problems. But that alone doesn't conclude in the game. Rich, when Pedri Gonzalez, now Frankie de Jong in the park in Fifi, the count with which already select your passes with those positions, and they said they will turn it over. So Frankie Giona, Pedri Giona, they select the pass very good. They are from the pass selection. It's almost near perfect. Again, they are 2 of the best ball retainers. Oh, yes. The problem is that Barca are going to be without Frankie de Jong. And it is only going to be Pedri Gonzalez and Marc Barnal in that hole. Trying to replicate what Frankie de Jong gave us. So, you ball first league, you ball good face game. Anthony Gordon can't say, oh, who be that? The kind of football Pedri and Frankie de Jong ball park in Fifi, they didn't come close to them. Can Bernal alone and Pedri do that job? Retain possession, recycle it, select the right passes, take out the sting of the game. You're calm and bonny giddy. You to was here. Your money giddy. They will hit us. They'll go into transitions. There's going to be a problem. That for me is the first question Hansi Dieter Flick would have to ask. Rich, if you are again Hansi Flick, do you bring Ronald Arroyo back into the backline? Physicality, set pieces, make Voltamade can come later in the game. Do you start Ronald Arroyo? Oh, Hansi Flick, I get a more as a whole question.
But if you coach Ned,
yeah. Do you start Arroyo?
I do not go and pano.
Gerard,
my decision now we taking.
Yeah.
Was a coach be a ni niamba ba ku mienu bi odina so asa no take decision. Decision no say nyansa bebe mu a. Agisa papa kan so amma nya result.
Yeah.
Asa no decision now take here no. Nyansa be so.
Yeah.
What I say and na my coach nye den no. Very very difficult. Because be for you know, say coach should training no ma ye. Ahead of Omni Newcastle na. Arao the nebo game na ye. But how kono bo say obekwa start arao. Ebe pon games ya. Arao na ko board no. And I'm here.
But Rich, match we say flickable Arao. So you cancel with him.
Only cancel.
Yes, he shouldn't play Cancelo. Rich, if Barcelona try tonight and they start to Joao Cancelo on that side of the defense, now Obo Cancelo, Kubasi, and maybe Gerard Martin and Eric Garcia. Rich, Anthony Elanga and Gordon will eat them alive. I'm telling you. I can bet my last Ghana cities. It was a whole way. If they try and play Cancelo, play Gerard Martin, Bo Martin, Bo Kubasi, Bo Arao, Bo Garcia, 4 centre backs, and allow the technical players to control the game. Newcastle cannot stand them. But if you push Cancelo up, Nama Rafinha Babeshema, the hole is here. The plan is that they will set transfer Barcelona. You come and fall into it, they will go into those channels. I'm telling you, Rich, if they try Cancelo here, I'm so confident that the game will boil up. And Newcastle will take advantage. I think, say, if I get Araujo, Kubasi, Gerard Martin, and Garcia, the 4 centre backs, I like it. And allow the midfield to control the game.
Coffee time, man, I'm coming in next game.
Maybe so Araujo was on starting. Wait, me, Yano, but beside my scoreline.
Oh, see,
and I know you
10:57.
10:50. Basa for na time.
Entering discuss about.
Basa for na time. And then the one cause and then Basa the doors. Chelsea and come Chelsea the doors. There's most certain thing I can tell you about this game is that go better.
Okay.
And over 2.5 better. And over 1.5 better. I think that Newcastle, if you want my personal opinion, I don't think Newcastle lose this match. Barca may qualify, but this game, I don't think Newcastle lose it. I think they'll take it away to the Spotify Camp Nou and decide it there. If we are going by what happened versus Juve versus Liverpool, this game should be a blockbuster for us. Galatasaray versus Liverpool. Because Nyekosi, even against Juventus, was very interesting. A lot of goals, a lot of drama. Again, it happened in the group stage. It shouldn't say against English opposition. Galatasaray, Elusu just once to England. They know how to do their job for you. And that is what makes this game very interesting. The good thing is that Galatasaray, Bomachi, Biana, they are goals in there together with Liverpool. Both teams usually get goals. Liverpool, and himself this season, have not been too flamboyant. But over 2 legs, I'm confident Liverpool do the job. However, at home, I wouldn't want to split out my neck for almost anybody. Either of the teams to win on over 1.5 is one of the picks I'm going to go for. Which in the Champions League knockout stage, see both first leg near round of 16. Both at the Vicente Calderon and of course at the new Wanda Metropolitana under Diego Simeone. Atletico lose so much. And they are playing in one of those 2 matches that Michael Cho said, Torian Mosper that the difference here compared to Atletico Madrid. Rich Ewofi, I know Atletico may concede, but I don't see them losing this match. I think this game is a double chance Atletico Madrid and over 1.5 Ewofi, something that I'm very expectant. Say, Bayern will go away to Atalanta in 14 round of 16 matches for FC Bayern Munich. Rich, Omashemu 13. 13, they know how to do the job. For the German Bundesliga, there is no club in the German league that is going to get that German Bundesliga ahead of them. Harry Kane is back into the fray for them. Now, I feel like this is a season in the Champions League. Team or the underdog or big team, but an underdog in the big teams and conform from a new corner FC Bayern Munich. People mention Barcelona. People mention Madrid because of pedigree. People mention Man City because of course, Josep Guardiola. Arsenal same because of their performance. But a few people are those that mention Abrante Feno versus company. But the team plays very, very well. And now in the pre-match press conference, Omo Bizan about Atalanta says that I know it's a topic in Italy at the moment that Atalanta are the only Italian team left in the Champions League that you want to discuss the level of football here. I saw Inter last season and Atalanta this season talking about the fact that Atalanta have not been bad. Like I said, Bayern have won 13 of their last 14 round of 16 ties, including 6 in a row since 2018-2019 by Liverpool. And I know that Palladino sometimes have the quality. And Oshe, and again, based on the data, Atalanta were one of the most clean sheets or Champions League game. Whilst you are playing against a team like Bayern that are free scorers, is it likely that any Bayern international? I don't think so. The possible lineup that we are seeing, and then from Belt, Ubig, Upamecano, Jonathan Tah, Stanisic, and Konrad Laimer as the fullbacks, Pavlovic, Kimmich, Serge Gnabry, Harry Kane, Michael Olise, and Abrante Feno, Diaz, El Honum. Of course, for team friend Atalanta, we're expecting Jim City, Hen, and Said Kolasinac as the back three, Martin Deroon, Mario Pasalic, Davide Zappacosta, and Benasconi, of course, as the 2 wing backs, and Smajic, then Zalewski, and Abrante Feno, Gianluca Scamacca as the player that leads the line for team friend Atalanta. I expect Bayern to go away to win. Bayern a career. Me expect you say, oh, go away to Atalanta, you beat them with some goals.
And I'm going double chance.
For who?
Bayern.
Oh, okay. I think I had you beat me. But investors no can double chance because it says can buy stemming 1.01 cry. It's okay. Your multiplication in blue on it's don't worry, we will see now. Of course, like I said, Galatasaray, Liverpool, either team to win on 1.5 is one I'm confident in. Atletico Madrid, and Torreon Mospe is a game that I'm expecting to say Atletico Madrid will not lose the game and there should be some goals in there. And then of course Newcastle, any team my friend of Barcelona, so should be very interesting. Now, Nhyira come in 2 minutes. Josh, I didn't get time for you to talk about Newcastle versus Barcelona match. No? How do you see it?
Now that game, no, it will be very difficult for Barcelona, especially Oko St. James's. Now I'm saying this for very, very, very brief reasons. I want to say already in Barcelona this season, no, even though they are doing well, especially in the La Liga, no, when you look at the Champions League, even though they are trying very hard to compete me are regaining more dominance in previous years, no, it looks like Ushe team to say Newcastle already have played the first leg. Newcastle will not want to enter into this game thinking that it's going to be a repeat of what happened in the first round of the Champions League. Into St. James match way, game on St. James way. I will say Newcastle approaching game with a little bit physicality to grab something away. I think that's what will make the game very difficult for Barcelona.
And already and you may know number one.
Into Ebanisa, it means that Newcastle need to be able to be physical throughout the game.
Okay.
Omu lose team at a point there. It means Barca can come in and try and steal. At least even Omunya one goal, Krana give them more belief going back to Spotify Camp Nou. So if Newcastle can maintain the physicality throughout the 90 minutes, now Omutimi share at least one goal and Omu share 2 goals. Krana Barcelona enya 1 goal freema. The confidence for Newcastle will be a bit high. But the game will be dependent on how physically dominant both opponents can be, both teams can be. But if you ask me, Newcastle would want to approach it more as though they wanted it more because of how the first round result echo here.
Okay.
So I see Newcastle trying to get something from this game at all costs. But the question, would they maintain that physical dominance throughout the 90 minutes? That's what will determine the game. But I bet the Yamabasa. Because all they already know. They said, yeah, Kasagavi. And who say, as an environment, now, I'm call hotel, we as a hotel, and it looks like some Harry Potter kind of structure.
Now, this environment, or mobile and Jay.
But it looks like it's different from what they came to meet the previous time. It's as though the mind games have started. The other factors that is outside of the pitch, no, as I say, is in.
Okay.
So you want to expect Newcastle to also approach the game with some, difference.
Maybe the reason I make us blended the two. Tactical, technical, and at the same time, we show almost strength.
But I say it will also depend on how the game, as the game wears on, how the changes will happen. Because Barcelona, they are very smart in how they are approaching. You can trust Hansi Flick to be able to get the results from games like this.
Of course, and the Champions League, definitely your coach are Edikofikesi, my betway coach now. First one, a BW43F0 D604. Second one, a BW43F0 B1F8. Third one, a BW43E90E5D. Now fourth one, a BW43E8E7B2. Michelle, you can now call Fifi man for no social media and also a bit me a career. Now KFC say main country on with for say open chicken party then the Monday madness no back for you every Monday. KFC CTA for just 5 pieces of chicken, 60 cedis per year. Unyani baby chicken has spice and pepper, other spice solid one with a great meal, crispy chicken, and of course with the same quality in a KFC at the mouth. Almost say any KFC branch be a while around the commercial. So you 5 pieces of chicken, take away and answer delivering so on very amount. KFC almost say a finger licking good.
Okay, yeah, KFC who says me na your Ghana man TD. Na me catch you for say